Master the use of which, understanding its unique role in English questions. Hello, language explorers. Welcome back to our series on conversational English. Today, we're delving deep into question words, focusing on the word which. Not only will we get a handle on how to use which, but we'll also explore how it differs from other question words. So grab your notebook, put on your thinking cap, and let's get started. Which is a powerful word. It's our go-to question word when we have specific choices in mind. When you're asking about one or more items from a limited set, which is your best friend? Think about this situation. You're at a restaurant and you're torn between two desserts on the menu: chocolate cake and apple pie. You'd ask your friend, which should I order, the chocolate cake or the apple pie? Here, which is perfect because you have a limited number of options. At first glance, which and what might seem interchangeable, but they serve different purposes. What is more general and is used when there are unlimited options or when the questioner doesn't have a specific choice in mind. Let's revisit the restaurant. If you were open to any dessert on the menu, you'd ask your friend, what should I order for dessert? Here, what allows for any dessert option to be a valid answer. Who is a question word that relates specifically to people. You use who when you want to know about a person or group of people. For instance, who is your favorite author? But which can be used to ask about people when you have a limited number of individuals to choose from. If you're deciding between two authors for your next book, you'd ask, which author should I read next, author A or author B? Where is used when we want to ask about a location or direction. For example, where is the restaurant? However, if you have a limited number of locations or directions to choose from, which comes into play. For example, if you have two routes to reach the restaurant, you could ask, which route should I take, the highway or the city roads? And there you have it. Now you're one step closer to mastering the art of asking questions in English. We've looked at how which helps specify options from a limited set and how it differs from other question words like what, who, and where. Remember, practice makes perfect, so try using which in your daily conversations. Thank you for joining us today. We hope this video has shed light on the unique role of which in English questions. Until next time, keep exploring and happy learning.